with Somerset County Recreation Parks and Tourism. 'Tis the season for holiday shopping as our tour of Somerset County and our Shop Local, Buy Local continues. Yes, Priceless Flowers right here, Somerset Avenue in Princess Anne. Their 23rd annual holiday open house. It is happening today and tomorrow, 9 until 4, and then Saturday from 9 until 1. Wonderful selection of everything you want and need for the holidays. And they are featuring 10% off all items this week and weekend, excluding fresh flower arrangements. And they have a ton of holiday ideas and decor for you, including traditional decorations, Yankee candles, tabletop trees, fresh and artificial wreaths, and much more. Also door prizes and new Christmas ideas too. Love the store. They've got beautiful flowers. So really, for any occasion, anytime you need flowers for an anniversary, for a birthday, for any kind of event, make sure to choose Priceless Flowers in Princess Anne. Miss Lori does a fabulous job, and she is really decorated and wanting to see you to get your holiday started in the right direction. Their holiday open house, it is going on today until 4 o'clock, then tomorrow, Friday, from 9 until 4, and Saturday from 9 until 1. So you have a lot of opportunities to get on out to make someone in your household happy, make someone in your family happy. Guys, it's a great idea to grab the wife, bring her out, let her get some brand new decorations for the holidays. She will definitely love it, and you will love it too. Right here on Somerset Avenue, 11726 Somerset Avenue in beautiful Princess Anne, Maryland. Priceless Flowers and their 23rd annual holiday open house. We've got all the details on our Facebook page and our website at visitsomerset.com. Make sure to shop local and support local at Priceless Flowers in Princess Anne, right here in Somerset County.